Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on crypto, exchange. We'll start by guiding you through the essential first steps, like setting up and verifying your account. Then, we'll cover how to securely fund your account, whether with traditional money or other cryptocurrencies. Finally, we'll explore the user-friendly interface, preparing you for your first trades with confidence and clarity. To buy cryptocurrency, first log into your crypto exchange account and head to the spot trading area. Here, you'll choose your desired trading pair, for instance, Bitcoin versus Tether. You can then place either a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price for your purchase. It's a straightforward process. Selling your cryptocurrency on the crypto.com exchange is just as simple as buying. Begin by selecting the digital asset you intend to sell from your portfolio. Next, pick a trading pair, such as Ethereum versus USD coin, to determine what you'll receive. You can then place a market order for instant execution or a limit order to sell at a specific price point you define. It's designed for ease. For smart and secure trading, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. It adds an extra layer of protection. Before finalizing any transaction, carefully review all associated fees, which are typically a small percentage of your trade value. Also, consider using limit orders, as they give you greater control over your entry and exit prices, potentially saving you money over time. Trade wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.